Another quick summer look with multiple purpose items. Keep watching so we can see if our multi-purpose items worked. I have Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way, and this is the Chai Concealer. Now I'm doing under my eyes. I am concealing because I want to use a little bit of product, but I want it to do multiple jobs. Now I'm using the same concealer to hide a little bit of this hyperpigmentation around my mouth. Remember, I'm using products that are doing multi-jobs because I want to use less product because right now it is hot outside. And if I can get products that do multiple jobs, I'm going to use it. We can spray to try and make it last longer, but sometimes the sun is just so hot, you will start to melt a little. Now you don't see the darkness and the darkness and the darkness. It's kind of looking like it's uniformed right now. I have a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to go over everything that I just did before I go to the next step. Now that I've blended the concealer I put on my eyes, under my eyes, around my mouth, I'm going to spray my face with the Juvia's Place setting spray. That's all I have on my face, but I want to set it. You can tell that my face is all sprayed up, right? I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Face Powder in 360 Mocha. This is just a face powder, not foundation, but face powder. I've already done all the correcting I needed to do with the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Chai. Now I have powder on here. I am just going to put it in the skin, right over that setting spray. That makes it melt in the skin and that makes it last longer. If you forget to spray your face before you put your powder on, you can always spray it after you put it on. Please try that step and let me know how it works for you. With the same powder, I'm going to use this puff right here. And I'm going to set above on my lids. And I'm going to set under my eyes. Once that is done, I take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to pat everything down before I fluff all the excess out. I just stamp everything in place because remember I already sprayed, so my face is looking really nice, not oily, not greasy because I have oily skin, but it's looking a little dewy, but nothing major. So I just pat everything down. I use this black eyeshadow for my brows. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier blush and I'm going to use that in the crease. I take the blush and it's gonna go right here. Summer is here, it is hot, and we need to make sure we get our makeup right or else it will melt. When the sun decides to do what it wants to do, be prepared. I have this lip liner. I'm going to line my lips. This is from e.l.f. I do have lip gloss on. I have the Myrex. It is the Color Fix. I'm going to take a little bit. I'm going to squeeze it on the back of my hand, so I can control how much I use. I have a small brush. I'm going to dab into it, and I'm going to put it on my lids and in the crease where I put the first blush. Now with what's left on my hand, after I do my eyes, will become my lip color. The shade name is Vamp. It is very, very pretty, as you can see. Multi-purpose makeup, and I am ready to step out in this hot summer months. This is it. And I use a small amount of things: powder, blush, concealer, color fix, setting spray, eyeliner, mascara, and lip gloss. That is it. And most of these products did double duty or triple duty. And that's my look to step out and have a fabulous time. And this is my look for today. I'm wearing a necklace my friend made for me. I went to visit her. She's doing good. We had a ball. She made me this. We always have fun when we get together. But this is the simple double duty multi-purpose product look. And I just fluff my hair back. That's it. And I'm ready to step out and have some fun. Today's I am encouraging word is I deserve happiness and fulfillment. I deserve happiness and fulfillment. And remember, when I see you and you see me, remember to have fulfillment, seek joy, not on the outside, but on the inside. Dig deep. There is fulfillment of joy inside of you. Every single thing you need is within you. Do the work and you will be surprised what shows up. I love you all dearly. Please remember to share this video. And to my friend who's watching, see, I am wearing it. Love you all very, very much. Bye. Simple summer I